So here's my video of the JVC kd-r530.
And candy doors, and you know it's a pimp trail. This is the pimp trail. You got some money, better spend it on these hoes, and you know it's a pimp trail.
So we got the JVC kd-r530. I don't know if you can see that. Customizable colors. Pretty much a full spectrum. It'll do iPod. It'll do Pandora radio. Good sound quality. It's pretty inexpensive. Got it at Best Buy for 90 bucks. I really like it. The functionality. USB. It's got the 3 line outputs if you want to run a sub. Went with the cubby hole dash kit, which is nice, gives it a nice clean look. Overall, pretty good deck. JVC puts out some pretty good stuff, so I was impressed with the price and the way it looked. So I will let you check it out.
From the ceiling to the flow, from the flow to the stage, from the stage to the door. Drop your panties, ho, let me see the peep show. Make a player grin till you see them teeth glow. Yeah, it's the Zach cocky nigga from the side. VIP room, let a nigga get some mile. Let me see your show, I know what I'm talking about. Let me have your number, can I call you at the highs? Don't act lame, don't play no games. It's the color change, got the cranberry rain. Take it to the flow, let me see you get crunk. Pop, pop, pop it like my pop trunk. Any hoes get gone, let me see you badunk-a-dunk. My niggas in the back and we blowing no skunk. Damn, yeah. Sliding down the pole, upper muscles is jumping. Once the dog can show me something, give me a reason to blow these hundreds. You crawling like a lion, telling me come with your finger. Make yourself come with your finger. Touch your tongue with your finger. So keep me winking, blink me. What you thinking? What you drinking? XO got me feeling like a kingpin. I ain't tripping, I'ma keep a thinking. I'm no tipper, a tipper, no uplifter, a stripper. But you sizzle for shizzle. Won't you unzip my zipper? I slip a little nigga, finna flip and get some fiddles. Got cash like Jay Clampett, tipper stripper. Live a little, too uptight. Yeah, styrofoam cups up, pimp cups up. I fall off in the club, 5 O's and candy doors. You know it's the pimp trail, this is the pimp trail. You got some money, better spend it on these hoes. You know it's the pimp trail, this is the pimp trail. When I come through, y'all gon' break me off for sure. Cause you know it's a pimp trail, this is the pimp trail. You got a problem with it, let a nigga know. Cause you know it's a pimp trail, this is the pimp trail. I got friends in my crib, I pull up on some grown men. Alligators in my navigator Benz. Boys say I'm tripping, they ain't never heard of that. I got Lincoln in the front, 600 on the back. I got my mojo, candy dripping off the logo. Know the handles on the phone while I'm swinging on the soda. I wonder what your chick think, cause arms in my teeth is blue, but it's tank. I'm spinning big bank, slide on big twanks, cops pull me up as I ride like I sip drink. Candy coated doors, roof separate from ceiling like Ben and J. Stay cold. What about my clothes? You already know. Starts down with stay flow. When I ride in the slab, I don't know how to act. Cause my pain is on wet like it's smoked on the crack. The kiss on my chest is invisible set. So the numbers still show on my Mitchell and Ness. No Colgate crest. My teeth is past white. Diamonds bright as a white man in daylight with a flashlight. Rap going up the deuce. Fingers poking out the roof. Colored stones on my wrist looking like frozen fruit. The car must have juice, juice. half a brick, half a brick, say Tove, say T. Ay, 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 okay, ay, ay, so I should entertain. Quarter brick, half a brick, whole brick, ay. Quarter pound, half a pound, whole pound, ay. 100 pills, 1,000 pills, serving major way. Juice man and Gucci man make the trap, ay. Quarter brick, half a brick, whole brick, ay. Quarter pound, half a pound, whole pound, ay. 100 pills, 1,000 pills, serving major way. Juice man and Gucci man make the trap, ay. I'm booming, I'm banking, I'm serving all the babies. Rap game easy, but the dope game crazy. Young Jew man, and my life is like the J. It was stupid, fruity, crazy sweat, jumping in your lady. But now I don't share it, interior like the lake. LeBron James wrist when I'm fucking with that cake. Hit the trap, stay down, watch the paper wake. Booming out of houses, Jay's asking for a wake up. Half a brick, whole brick, got me buying Jacob. Wearing shoe, walking in the head of innovator. Half a brick, whole brick, got me buying Jacob. Wearing shoe, walking in the head of innovator. Quarter brick, half a